Okay, good evening, dear friends. Yes, with me is a matrix question that came in a certain year for GCE. Yeah, so the question says that given that matrix A is equals to this 7, 9, 4P, 5P, the question says find the positive value of P for which the determinant of A is equals to -2. Question 2 says hence or otherwise write A inverse. So what are we supposed to do? Yeah, what we are supposed to do here is to write the same question. It is like A is equals to 7, 9, 4P and 5P. So when we say a matrix or a matrices, matrix is just a rectangular array of objects. They are arrayed in a rectangular way. So to find the determinant, in this question we are already given the determinant as -2. So where there is A there, we just replace with that value of a determinant we are given. So we put a -2 there. We say equal to, here we do that, we have 7, 9, 4P, 5P. So we are going to multiply. We will multiply. The basic is to find the difference between the major diagonal. This is the major diagonal and this is the minor diagonal. So the product of the major diagonal minus the product of the minor diagonal. So this is a 9 like that. Now in this case we are already given the determinant. So as a result we are supposed to work out this and equate it to this -2 which we are having there. So we will say -2 is equal to, we multiply 7 and 5P there. 7 times 5P minus 9 and 4P. We are going to have 9 times 4P. So then what are we supposed to do? We progress here. We will progress here and say -2 is equal to 7 times 5P. This is 35P minus 9 times 4P. This is 36P like that. So we progress then and say -2 is equal to, we subtract 35P minus 36P. It will give you a -P because we get the sign of a bigger number. We have got, this is a positive 35 and this is -36. So we subtract 35 from 36 and maintain the sign of the bigger number. As a result, so there is no letter now which is in the negatives. So we should divide both sides by -1, -1. So that negative and negative, they will cancel each other. So here we have a 2 which is equal to be a P. So therefore the value of P is equal to 2. This is your answer number 1. Then the second, they have told us to find the determinant. So I'll solve it from here. This was for number 1. Then for number 2, Roman numeral number 2, I'll solve it from here. So to find the determinant, to find the inverse, we are told to find the inverse of A, meaning that it is 1 over the determinant multiplied by the adjoint. So adjoints, these numbers, we should find the action which is here. So we have got our 2, -2 is equals to here 7, here 9, there 4P, and here 5P. So we have found the value of P, meaning that we are going to have -2 is equals to B. So we just replace 7 there and 9 here. Here it is 4 times 2, so we are going to have 8. Here is 5 times 2, we are going to have a 10. So these are actual numbers. So now to find the inverse, what are we supposed to do? We say 1 over determinant. So we put A inverse like that is equals to 1 over, the determinant is -2, then we multiply by the adjoint. So adjoint, these numbers we swap them. 10 will come here, 7 will come there, but this one in the minor diagonal will maintain. So we are going to have 10 and 7 that side. Then here we have 9, and there we are going to have 8. So then to conclude, these ones that are in the minor diagonal, these ones 8 and 9 should change their signs. If they were in the negative, they should be positives. So since they're in the positives, they will have negative signs like that. So like there, you end. This is your solution. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.